With Halaxy, medical practitioners can seamlessly issue prescriptions in 3 ways: electronic, also known as e-scripts, barcode, or paper. This tutorial is for e-scripts, where your prescription is sent to the patient via email or SMS as a QR code, which is then electronically scanned at the pharmacy. Issuing an e-script in Halaxy costs 1 credit per drug. This tutorial comes in 2 parts. First, creating the prescription, then publishing it. Let's create the prescription first. In the patient's clinical note, click Add Order. Here you'll need to fill out some details. For order type, select Prescription. Select the ordering practitioner, then click Create. You're now back to the clinical notes screen, where your new prescription record is created. Click the Add a Drug button. In this window, you'll need to fill out some details. If the drug is subsidised by Medicare or DVA, select PBS, RPBS. If it's not, select Private. If the drug you're looking for is unavailable in the database, you can also opt to create and prescribe a custom drug. Search for the drug name and strength needed. Then, fill out the directions for use. Here you can complete either Section A or Section B. If you're filling out Section A, you must complete all the fields. If you're filling out Section B, type out your instructions directly. Fill out the rest of the prescription fields as needed. Depending on the drug prescribed, some fields in this section may be mandatory. When you're ready, click Save. Your prescription is now ready to be published. Now we begin the second part, publishing the prescription. Select the down arrow button on your clinical note and click Publish. Then click Continue. In the pop-up, select Electronic as your prescription type. In this window, you can review your prescription, including the prescriber and patient details, as well as the prescription items. You'll need to fill in the token receipt details, which specifies who will be receiving the e-script and how they'll be receiving it. You can set the recipient to be the patient or to be a nominated guardian or caregiver. Then, select whether the recipient will receive the e-script via email or SMS. You also have the option to send the e-script via Evermed, which provides a link for the patient to instantly order their medication for delivery. There is no extra charge to send e-scripts via Evermed. When all the details are final, confirm your password and then click Publish. Your prescription is now published and sent to the patient. And that is how you create an electronic prescription in Halaxy.